When the brand offered to send me these hearing aids for my mom to try out, I was thrilled because they'd been on my radar for a while. I'm going to tell you some specifics about them, and then we'll hear from my mom in her own words. These are the Flago hearing aids. They come with this brush to clean them out and extra earpieces. They have a cleaning cloth. They come with a user guide and a case that's rechargeable. So all you do is put the hearing aids into the case. They hit the prongs, the one button operation. They're easy to use. You charge up the case and then you can just take it with you and it will recharge without being plugged in. So let's hear what my mom had to say about them. So these are the hearing aids that we got these as a sample, and they're Flago. It'll work with any USB cable, and they just sit down in there. And let me see. There's little prongs in there that recharge them. Okay. Ta-da! Ta-da! So you just put them in there at night and they charge themselves. And then in the morning you just take them out and put them back in your ear. And these fit okay. They do come with different size little earpieces.
They're comfortable, they're easy to put on, they're easy to take off. And they hold it. Leave them in here and plug them in, but they hold a charge for a really long time.
Okay, good. So. And as far as clarity and hearing, I know we just had your right ear, the wax cleaned out. So do you feel like, are you getting more hearing out of that ear now? Yeah. Is this going to replace a full audiologist fitting and prescription hearing aids for someone with significant hearing loss? No. But for a senior with moderate hearing loss who's been resisting the conversation, this is a great entry point. If you found this video helpful, follow my shop for other great Amazon finds. Thanks for watching.